Today we will learn how geometry can be fun and useful in life. In a few days, it's Halloween and everyone carves pumpkins. When we tried to carve this scary face on a pumpkin, we faced a problem. This face is 2D and flat. As my dad said, it's a Euclidean space. When we tried to put it on the pumpkin so we could carve it, it didn't work. Somehow the pumpkin has less space available for this face. As my dad says, the surface of the pumpkin is non-Euclidean and non-flat. It is curved like a ball. That means we can't fit the sketch as it is. We have to remove pieces of it. That also means the face will have to be distorted.
Try and do it.
See how much paper we have to remove for this face.
See how much paper we have to remove in order to fit it. And as we're doing that, we're distorting a little bit the face. We have to bring things closer or further.
It won't look exactly like a face.
It will be as close as possible. We almost did it. We probably have to go.
So how is this geometry?
So basically, there are ways of doing that in a more rigorous way. Now we're doing that empirically as we go. We just find places where they're not important in the face and we remove them so we can fit the rest of the face. Okay? So right now, we kind of like push things together so that they can fit, because remember we have less space. And now we mapped it on the pumpkin and we are already almost here. We still have a small problem. Now we're ready to use our tools to go and carve it.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see how it looks when we carve it. So.
This is how it looks when we carved it.
Okay.
When night falls, we can put a candle in and we can see how it looks. The shapes where we've done the same thing with this bat.
Excellent.
Or this owl. We'll take pictures of them when it's night so you can see the candle when it glows.
The number of pieces removed is proportional to the curvature of the pumpkin. The more curved it is, the more distorted our sketch will be. The same thing happens when you try to map the globe to a 2D map. The last thing we do is not put the candle in.